Well, cutting across to Chennai now, M.K. Stalin, while on a metro ride in Chennai, slapped a passenger. Now, Stalin was on a metro with his supporters. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister has condemned the incident. AIADMK spokesperson C.R. Saraswati is on the phone line with me. How do you see this? Because Stalin seems to believe that his defense has been that there were women who were sitting right behind, and that is why he slapped this passenger. But the point is that if you had an issue with him, you could have politely asked him to move. You didn't have to slap him.
Yes. See, one thing I'm telling you, he is traveling in a public transport. In the transport, people can stand anyway. If he is going to disturb the ladies, he is having a way to say. With all manners, he must behave. First of all, he's an MLA. You don't have a culture at all. The DMK people showing what is the culture. How can he slap a person like that? He wants to make a show. He wants to travel in that car, and he wants to come to paper. He wants to come to media. At the same time, he must behave himself. He's not only a single person. Stalin is an MLA. They must behave themselves. It's not a way to move with and he wants to become a CM also in Tamil Nadu. What is the rights he has to ask for a CM seat if he can behave like this with the public? It's no culture at all. It's not at all. The behavior is really very wrong.
Right. Also, in fact, if you go in this video, it's also evident not just one passenger, but another passenger was asked to move away from that spot.
Sorry, I can't follow you. Sorry.
I said, if you see the video clearly, it also shows that not just this one man who was slapped, Stalin made sure that there was no one standing around him essentially.
Yeah, he wants only his people, and the media people must stand there. Then why should he travel with the public to make a scene, to create a scene? There is not any public to stand there. They want to make a show. That's all. The DMK people, they just want to make a show in medias and papers. They never work for the people, and they never will be with the people. They always make people behave like, I can't put a right word in that. But all I feel is they don't have a culture. That's all.
Right, C.R. Saraswati, thank you very much for speaking to us on Times. Now, Khushbu from the Congress Party is also joining us. Khushbu, what's your first reaction when you see something like this?